British Health Secretary and the British Prime Minister announced.
They're not comparing with UK.
And within 45 minutes,
The United States is still not
within 45 minutes, Gaurav Bhatia, within 45 minutes, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra, Robert Vadra start tweeting.
Britain is doing it.
My point is this.
Rahul ठीक
Does any of them have some vaccine that they have kept in their back pocket? They put out the hashtag, Modi hai to manipulation
for
hai.
the Indians.
What can Modi do?
नहीं भाई
Can Modi come up with a vaccine without the checks, without the due
It has
diligence?
not been tested properly.
No, what is your expectation?
The Americans are not using it.
What do you
The
want?
European Union is
The
not
Prime
using
Minister
it.
has
Only
chaired
United
4
Kingdom
meetings
has
in
allowed
10
it.
days
It is not a safe
to review the efforts
It is not
of
a
the
safe
COVID vaccine
The Prime Minister doesn't
to
care.
address the issues of
The Prime
logistics,
Minister
transportation
doesn't
and a
care
cold
because it is not a safe
chain.
vaccine.
Vivek, you debate with Gaurav right now, but you will have to stop speaking over me.
No. Yeah.
You know, please understand, what do you want? You make your point clearly to Gaurav so that when he replies, I can have a moment of silence and a clear debate. You have to, you make your point, but quietly, calmly, make your point. Volume up, I can't hear the fallback.
fine.
Yeah, please.
Okay, very calmly, the Americans have not
Make your
accepted it as of now, this research. And they believe the government should do the research, not the companies. Number two, the European Union has not accepted this research. And United Kingdom has broken away from the health regulatory laws of the European Union. And it is saying the government need not do the research. Let us accept what a company is saying and let it go for mass production and mass circulation. This is wrong. Indians cannot be used as guinea pigs for testing the vaccine.
In the context
and the Prime
of India,
Minister
what is your
does
point?
not care
Vivek,
because
in the
this
Indian
vaccine-
context,
this is
therefore,
not a
does
safe
this
vaccine.
not... 1 minute,
This
yeah,
is
when I'm
not a safe
speaking, why
vaccine.
don't you hear me? Why don't you hear me? Does this not underline the fact that a vaccine cannot be put in fast-forward mode? For God's sake, people's lives are involved. This is not an issue of politics. You have got to understand there are serious issues
an unsafe
of
vaccine,
safety,
sir. Sir, it is an
distribution,
unsafe vaccine,
cold chain.
not
These
accepted
are
by
not
the
things that
Americans
are
now,
available on a
not
jiffy.
approved by the European Union.
I abhor your vaccine politics. I hate it. Gaurav Bhatia.
Why are we Indians?
I abhor it.
Okay.
Gaurav
Somebody
Bhatia.
getting a kickback?
Okay,
Is
so
somebody getting a
now I
kickback?
hope I'll not be interrupted when I heard others patiently.
Please,
First of all,
please.
I think it is a proud moment for us. We have a dedicated Prime Minister like Narendra Modi ji, who is leading from the front, not just for India, but for the entire world. And we all saw how he visited the laboratories and the headquarters of the 3 companies that are
I
trying
don't
to
understand.
indigenously
Please comment on the safety of
have
the vaccine.
the vaccine for our citizens. Can he
Sir,
be
you are
quiet?
not commenting on the
Because
safety
you know
of
I
the
don't want to
vaccine.
shout at you.
Please do not
It
divert
shows
my
how
questions.
uncivilized and
My
uncouth
question
you
was
are.
very
And
clear.
Arnab,
Sir, my
I have a
question was very
condition.
clear.
Either he be,
Sir, my
either he
question
be
was very
quiet
clear. You are diverting.
or you lower his
My
fader.
question
I will
was,
not shout
this
at him.
vaccine safe?
Who's putting what in danger? It's your irresponsible tweets which are putting people's lives in danger. You are trying to make what is a scientific process into a political gladiatorial punch-up with the least responsibility. I accuse selfish people like you of putting Indians' lives at risk by doing politics over a COVID vaccine, for God's sake. Now, Gaurav will reply. I want one side to speak at a time. Thank you.
He interrupts without even hearing the other party's
आपके
points.
पास आंसर नहीं है श्रीमान जी.
चुप हो जाइए आप. आपको आंसर करना भी नहीं है. डायनासोर की तरह है आप.
आप पहले
गायब हो
बोलिए.
चुके. चुप हो जाइए.
आप चुप होकर
चलिए.
को मत बोलिए सर. You
Sonia,
don't have the knowledge.
I
You tell
will
me,
make
is
my
it safe or
point.
not?
Just give me a
Is
minute
it safe?
and a
Can you
half.
tell me?
That's it. Please. See, there are issues like production.
Vivek, pull back now. Come on, we are here to debate.
Transportation. And Narendra Modi ji, when he was addressing the nation, made it very clear that these are things to be best handled by scientists and experts of the field, not by people from the left like they are now right now speaking. And I must say, Congress has become a non-performing asset in the balance sheet of our country.
Now United
These are
States is not the
perpetually
hero anymore.
pessimists. Arnab, do you remember
The United
earlier
States
when Narendra
has still
Modi ji
not
said there
accepted-
would be a
Sir, it has still
21-day
not been
lockdown,
accepted.
and he gave
As
the
per
example
the
of
safety laws
Mahabharat.
of other
These
developed
fools
nations.
come out and they say, after 21 days, COVID gaya
No,
kyun nahi?
nobody is
I am
a fool,
sure
sir.
we'll find a
The
vaccine
Prime
for the
Minister is making a fool
COVID.
of the
But
people.
I'm not sure whether we will ever find a
has
vaccine
not
for the
been
Gandhi
accepted by the
Parivar
United States
who
of
are
America
hell-bent on
or by the
destroying our
European
country.
Union.
And
Why
I must
are the
say,
Indians
the
showing
priority
enthusiasm?
of this
And
government
why
is
is Narendra
enough
Modi so
that we
enthusiastic?
ensure that every human being here
why is Modi
gets
so
a vaccine,
enthusiastic?
but there will be
Why are
priorities
you so
like the
enthusiastic? Are you getting some
COVID
kickbacks?
warriors, the
Are you making
elderly,
some money?
and also
What is the story?
personnel from the armed forces and other people who are vulnerable to this virus. This is what they don't understand. And I am saying that the federal structure of the country has been followed. Narendra Modi ji has been having very constructive meetings
You
with the
don't
chief
have an
ministers of the
answer
state.
about the
So what
safety
is their
laws
problem?
of this
If you
vaccine.
can't be part of
You
the
do not
solution,
have
don't be part
an
of the
answer
problem,
about the
sir.
safety-
Vivek, I am requesting you. I am requesting you, 1 minute. This is getting very bothersome. You see, this is a horrific attempt, what you're saying, viewers. And Vivek cannot permanently be hogging the airtime and the sound time on the program, so mute the volume. I am I'm putting a clear instruction here. You see, this is what we are seeing here. Is nothing but a horrific attempt. Horrific attempt at whipping up panic, Sohail, Seth and Hemant. It is a horrific attempt at whipping up panic. You are saying Indians are not going to get the vaccine. You are saying, can Indian people get some clarity? You are saying the British people are getting the vaccine. We are not getting the vaccine. I wish you'd keep your dirty politics out of it. COVID is not a joke. The British government has approved a vaccine. The Prime Minister Modi spoke last week to the British Prime Minister Boris Johnson regarding collaboration on COVID-19. You are spreading misinformation. You are fake news experts. Dr. Thakkar, Indian manufacturers, Indian scientists who have taken part in these trials, who've been working very hard, they, after painstaking effort, are on the verge of a breakthrough. And intellectually innocent and intellectually incapable people like Rahul Gandhi and Robert Vadra and Priyanka Vadra are putting them down when they are on the verge of a breakthrough. These things are not done under political pressure. The vaccine will come. Let's bury the politics.